In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos with Perplexity. This is an intuitive tool that helps you enhance and modify images with ease. So whether you're a budding photographer or just looking to improve your personal photos, you'll find this video helpful. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, type Perplexity into the search bar and hit enter. Doing so will bring up a variety of search results related to Perplexity AI, so take a moment to locate the official Perplexity website. Click on it to open the main page. Now that you're on the Perplexity website, look for the clip icon. This is typically your go-to button for uploading images, so go ahead and click on that. A prompt will appear, guiding you to select the photo you wish to edit. Choose your image, and it will upload directly onto the Perplexity platform. With your photo uploaded, it's time to create a prompt. Think of this as the instruction manual for how you want to modify your photo. Take, for instance, a situation where you want to remove a photobomber from your image. You'll want to be as descriptive as possible in this step. For instance, your prompt could read something like, "Remove the photobomber man on the right side of the image, who's wearing a gray sleeveless shirt and blue shorts." You'd also want to add something like, "Fill in the background naturally with the pavement, railing, river, trees, and skyline. Keep lighting, colors, and shadows consistent with the rest of the photo." Once your prompt is ready and you're satisfied with the instructions given, look for the Submit button. Click on this to finalize your editing request. The Perplexity AI will then process your prompt and make the necessary adjustments to your image, producing an edited version without the unwanted elements. And there you have it. Your photo has now been edited to suit your preferences. This simple, step-by-step process not only assists in creating a more polished photo, but also helps you understand the power of AI in photography. Remember, the key to getting the best results lies in crafting a detailed and specific prompt, so don't hesitate to be particular with your instructions. Go ahead and experiment with different editing challenges to see just what the Perplexity tool can do. This tool provides a fantastic opportunity to refine your images right from the comfort of your browser, unlocking creativity without the need for complex software. Enjoy editing, and thanks for tuning in.